Hey guys, I don't have time to make a proper video, so I'm just going to wing it and show you guys like a live video of we're gonna show you how to make a tick by tick plot, meaning we're gonna plot every single tick for Tesla stock. Um, the thing is, sorry also if you saw my last stream where the volume didn't work. I really hope the volume works because I'm having some volume problems. So let's create, sorry, I need to probably, uh, okay, sorry. Okay, this is a new notebook. Okay. So, so first of all, what we want is if you look at here, we want to do a TWS API tick by tick, let's say last, all last. I just want to show you guys, like if you look at Google, their API, you see you have tick by tick. This, of course, is TWS API. We're always using IB in sync, but like this gives you more information on what you could do. So this is also not meant to be a good video. This is meant to just, if you guys are bored, to maybe see something cool. So that's why it's also live. So what you can see is you can see the bid ask, the last, all last, and midpoint. You have some limitations, all that stuff. Um, last is every trade, and all last is all trades, but they give you combos, derivatives, and average price trades, which are not included in the regular last. Okay, so let me show you guys how to do this. Again, we're getting every like trade by trade data, tick by tick data. You can also get the bid and ask by ask. Okay, so let's first connect the IB. Let's define the contract object. So we're going to define Tesla stock equals stock, symbol equals Tesla, exchange equals smart equals GST. You need to qualify the contract. Okay, so so now what are we gonna do? Now this is the main part. Request tick by tick data, and we're gonna do all last, which means you get like all the trades, including combos and like other things like that. So you do ticker equals ib.rec tick by tick data. Contract equals Tesla stock. Tick type equals all last. Number of ticks equals 0, gives you all the ticks. I think you can leave this blank, but I don't want to risk it. And then you do, okay, so now let's do ib.sleep to make sure it fills. And you get the tick by tick data. So notice there's a thing called, okay, let me write the note. You can use something called, what is it called? You can use something like, lost my train of thought. You can use something called tick by ticks to get all the ticks. So you do tick by ticks, and it gives you the ticks. So if you keep refreshing, you're gonna get new ticks, but it doesn't save the old ticks. So we're gonna have to create like a callback function um, to save the old ticks. It doesn't save old ticks. Okay. So let's do create callback to save all the ticks. Let me show you how to do that. So let's just create a list tick by tick, or maybe I'll call it all ticks equals this on new ticker global all ticks, and then every time there's a new update to the ticker, you do all ticks plus equals. We add to the list ticker dot tick by ticks, and then let's attach this event. Callback event dot clear dot clear, because like if you run it a few times and you mess up, you can fix it. plus equals a new tick. And now, oops, what did I do wrong? Oh, def. So now um, your all ticks thing is going to be a list of ticks. So you can make it a data frame by doing util.df, all ticks, and as you see, you're going to have like the tick type, time, price, size, tick attribute, exchange, special conditions. You can get all this information here. And I don't want to, I don't have, I really don't have time to get into this. I just really quickly want to show you my example. But as you see, like the size is 145 and it keeps adding, so it'll keep getting bigger. Uh, so now this is what I really wanted to show you guys, like um, a tick by tick graph of Tesla stuff. So same idea, we're gonna have a callback that keeps adding ticks, but now each time we're gonna update a graph. I don't have time to get into matplotlib and how I do this, but maybe we can make other videos on it. Please comment if you guys are interested. Otherwise, I probably won't make a video on matplotlib because it's I don't know. Anyways, so like let's just get a empty list tick by ticks. We define the original plots like this. Fig. When the I can't get into details of the code here. I'm gonna so now let me show you guys what I want. I want now I have a function a new callback update graph, which instead of it's gonna have the same as last time, same idea. A tick by tick, it's a list where I'm gonna store all the ticks, and I'm gonna keep updating that list here. Then creating a data frame out of it, making that like the index, the time part, and then um, basically plotting it whenever there's an update. So let's see how this looks. And it's going to be depressing if you're a Tesla stock bull. Oh, at first it doesn't have it always auto adjusts the scale. So at first it's like scales are weird, but once much more data comes in, scale would make a lot more sense. Hopefully this time this thing the sound works. So let's just wait it out a little bit until let's just wait it out a little bit until we can actually see the scale. So wait it out a little bit. Still an ugly scale. So it's like 2.1. It's like 200. It's I don't understand the scientific notation thing. Eventually it should make the scaling look a little bit normal once it gets like a little bit bigger. I don't know why it's doing the scientific notation thing. And also like this minus is really weird. Like it's like 210 minus 10 cents. I never had that before. It's really weird. Um, anyways, let's wait a little bit until honestly, I'm just waiting until this format kind of fixes. And maybe, and with more data, hopefully if it goes higher, it'll fix it. Maybe it's too much in a range right now, so it's not fixing it. I have no idea, honestly. In the meantime, I'll do stuff that I need to do. Um, uh, there we go. I wanted it to show like a normal thing. Anyways, this sucks if you like Tesla, but have a good weekend, everyone.